우리 모두 슬퍼 말아요 다음이 더 기대되는 Going 17
What just happened showed that conflict in healthcare is not always caused by refusal of treatment. In many cases, conflict happen because patients feel that their cultural value, religious belief, and dignity are not understood. This is where nurses are tested. Will the nurse force treatment just to finish the task quickly, or will the nurse stay professional while respecting the patient belief? A professional nurse does not work only based on medical procedure. Nurse must have also empathy, patient, communication skill, emotional intelligence, and critical thinking. In Madeline Leininger transcultural nursing theory, healthcare should consider the patient culture and belief. If the patient culture is ignored, trust will be difficult to build. Even though the truth is the foundation of therapeutic communication. Because of that, nurses must help patients without making them feel they have lost their dignity.
Assalamualaikum. Good morning, Mr. Ahmad. Okay, Mr. Ahmad, let me introduce myself. I'm Sela, the nurse on duty this morning. Mr. Ahmad, how are you feeling now? Is the pain still there?
Yes, last night I feel even worse.
He also could not sleep well.
Okay, I understand, ma'am. Mr. Ahmad, I would like to explain a little about your wound condition.
Please.
Mr. Ahmad, based on the examination result, the infection in your foot wound is becoming more serious. The wound needs to be cleaned and the dressing needs to be changed soon.
I understand, but I feel uncomfortable if the treatment done by nurse female.
Please understand, nurse, this is about our belief.
It's okay, ma'am. Thank you for speaking honestly. We respect your beliefs. Mr. Ahmad, can you tell me what makes you feel most uncomfortable?
I'm afraid to my private body to expose, and also I afraid to people think I am not following my religion properly.
Yeah.
We don't want to refuse treatment, nurse. We only want our belief to be respected.
I understand that, ma'am, and I'm glad that both of you still want to discuss this with us.
Okay, we just don't want to be a person.
We will not force you, sir. Our duty is not only to treat the wound, but also to protect the patient comfort and dignity.
Okay. Thank you for understanding.
If the wound untreated for too long, the infection can become worse.
Can it really become that serious?
So what should we do?
Okay, we want to find a solution together with you and your wife.
The previous scene, the nurse tried to listen to the patient without judging him. The simple things such as introducing herself, speaking calmly, and listening to the patient concern have a big impact. This is called therapeutic communication. Therapeutic communication is not only talking to the patient, it's about making patient feel safe, respect, and trusted. In Pavlov's theory, the therapeutic relationship between nurse and the patient is built through effective communication. When the patient feels heard, their anxiety decreases. On the other hand, if the patient feels forced or ignored, the conflict becomes bigger. An important character nurse must have in situations like this emotional control.
Before we return to the patient, I want all of us to understand one important thing.
What is it, nurse?
In nursing, conflict often happen not because patient had healthcare workers, but because patients are afraid, anxious, or feel that their life value are not respected.
That's true, nurse.
Okay. Patients like Mr. Ahmad need a cultural approach.
Transcultural nursing, right, nurse?
You are correct. Nurse must provide professional care with ignoring the patient culture.
So we shouldn't directly think that the patient's difficult.
No, we should not, because every patient has their own life experience in life. And first, if we fail to understand that the therapeutic relationship will not be formed,
And without a therapeutic relationship, patient will find it difficult to trust us.
Correct. Now let's meet the patient again with a better approach.
Healthy care professional after so focus so much the illness just to forget to the see patient as human being. In the Jesuit century, caring means being genuinely present and understanding the patient, fear and the value.
Therefore, a nurse's success is not only measured by how quickly they act, but also by how valued and safe the patient feels.
We want to understand that your belief is very important. Because of that, we have discussed several solutions.
What kind of solution?
During the procedure process, your body will stay covered. Only the wound area will be opened, and your wife will accompany you during the process.
So my whole body is not be exposed.
No, sir. We will protect your privacy as much as possible.
Because helping patient dignity is our responsibility.
Solving conflict in healthcare requires compassion, communication, and mutual respect. Nurses should not be selfish and think they are always right. But patient and family also need to understand that healthcare workers are trying to help the healing process. Important values shown in the sign are responsibility, professionalism, tolerance, and problem-solving skill.
A nurse must be able to make technical decisions, meaning that the decisions are not only medical correct, but also morally and humanly correct. Because in the end, the purpose of the healthcare is not only to cure disease, but also protect human dignity.
Assalamualaikum, sir. Okay, Mr. Ahmad, I'm Sela, the nurse on duty today, and this is my partner.
I'm Nadira, the nurse on duty today.
Okay, Mr. Ahmad, before we begin the treatment, we would like to explain a little about your diabetic condition. So, Mr. Ahmad, the diabetic wounds are different from ordinary wounds. In people with diabetes, high blood sugar level can disturb blood circulation, so wounds become difficult to heal.
Furthermore, the nerves in the feet can also lose the function, and then the patient sometimes don't realize that their wounds can becoming worse.
That's why my husband wound can keep getting worse.
Yes, ma'am.
The goal of the nurses is not only help the patient to be recovered, but also to help the patient maintain their health in the future.
You must maintain a healthy diet, control your blood sugar, take medicine, and keep your feet clean.
And also, your feet should be checked every day, so if there's even a small wound, it can be treated immediately.
So home care is also important?
Very important, ma'am. Family has a big role in helping the patient recover.
Okay, now I realize that I did not take care of my foot properly.
It's okay, sir. The important thing is now you want to improve your lifestyle.
Yes, ma'am. Also, I am thankful for the nurse in here because explain everything to patient.
It's because patients have the right to understand their health conditions, sir.
Education is an important part of nursing care.
Exactly. The goal of the nurses is not only to help patients to be recovered, but also to help patients maintain their health condition.
As nurses, we must understand that every patient has different culture, religious, and personal values.
That's why nurse shouldn't focus only on medical treatment, but also respect the dignity and comfort of the patient.
Because patients do not only need treatment,
they also need to feel safe, respected, and understood.
Good healthcare service is not only about curing disease, it's also about protecting human dignity.
yes, being a nurse is not only working with knowledge, but also with compassion and heart.
Thank you for watching. Bye!